If you're looking to take your ride to the next level, you need to check out our XKmax wheel rings. We have two different sets of wheel rings to choose from, our XKmax single row and the XKmax Ultra 3-row. Both of these kits are made up of RGBW LEDs providing a full 60 million color range plus a dedicated pure white light. Not only are these chips versatile and bright, but they're addressable, meaning that they are fully customizable and give you smooth chasing patterns. So these wheel rings aren't just bright and colorful, but they're also built to last. They are constructed with reinforced aluminum and boast an impressive IP67 waterproof rating, ensuring that you will keep on glowing no matter what comes your way. What makes these wheel rings unique from the competition? That's where we introduce XKmax, our 5th generation of LED lighting giving you full control of your setup. You can set custom themes, sync your lights to music, and even sync them to your vehicle's turn signals, brakes, or courtesy lighting for when you open up your doors. And the best part, this is all controlled through your smartphone, or with an optional programmable key fob for those times when you don't have your phone. We released the XKmax wheel ring a while back, but we decided to bring another option for those who wanted an even brighter glow. That is when we made the XKmax Ultra Wheel Ring Light Kit. We increased the width of the ring and fit 3 rows of LEDs compared to the original single row, giving you 3 times the brightness. And before you even think about it, no, these are not 3 times the price. Which of these kits is right for you? Well, that's for you to decide. Both kits offer the same awesome features, effects, app control, and durability, so it solely comes down to how much you want your ride to shine. Thank you for watching this overview of our XKmax wheel ring kits, and if you're interested in one of these kits, head on over to XKGLOW.com or click the link in the description below. As always, make sure you are subscribed to our channel, follow us on all of our social media pages linked in the bio, and we will see you in the next video.